How to make $200 per month having fun, coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you a website where you can actually make money by really having fun. And before going on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online, and I'll show you how to create passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also make sure to check out my #1 recommendation on making a full-time income online down in the description down below. Alright, let's go on to the video. So this is the website I'm talking about, guys. It's called 88win. That's n.com. And what's fun about this is just basically having fun playing. It's more like it's not really a betting game because you're not really betting real money, but you do they do give you coins here to play. So when you go to this website, just sign up, right? Create an account with them, and then just right. And then this is the game here. It's called 88 Wheel. When you join, they will give you $500 worth of coin, 500 coins, right? And they give you every month. And if you ran out of coins, you'll just have to wait for the next month so that you can redeem another for 500 coin. Right now, they gave me oh wow, right? So they gave me 1,000 coin for this month. So I have 3,400 coins. So this is how you play, right? This is how you play. Basically, just let's see if I can join. Just start out with maybe 20 coins, right? So right now for 20 coins, I have 90% chance of winning because this is what's called orange. So they bet a lot, like 1,000. But sometimes you get lucky. Sometimes you really get lucky. So that's it, guys. So basically, just just put in how much coins you wanna put in, then join a game. And the more coins you put in, the more chances of winning. So like them, they just right off the bat, they put out like 1,000 coins. So we'll wait. So it's 1 minute, right? So waiting for other players. I suggest you take you try it out where there's not a lot of players playing right now, right? There's not a lot of players playing, because what will happen is if there's a lot of players, so your chances of winning will slim down. So right now it's from 45, it's narrowed down to 41 because another player just joined. So what I'll do, maybe I'll just add a little bit more money. So how much did I put in? $50. So maybe I'll put in 250, right? 250. Now my chances are here I have like 11.21 chances to win. So let's wait, guys. So we have like 26 seconds left, 25. So this is it, guys. So it's really fun, like fun in a way, like it's almost like gambling, but if you are the type of person that's that's like doing this, maybe it will help with your itch with your gambling. But it's just having fun. You're not really playing with real money, but you can get real money on this one. So just having fun, and I'll show you how you can get money. $200 is the price here, and right, let's see. Fingers crossed, guys. Oh, almost there. All right, so how you can get your money, how you can make real money on this one. So on the leaderboard here, guys, so you have to be the first. So the first place is $200, and the second one is $400, and the third is $10. So this is for the week May 19 to May 25. And let's see here, luckiest player. So yeah, so that's how you're gonna do it. So when you're gonna in case you win, right, you go to all right, where do you go? Yeah, and also you can send to your friends, right? So you can earn money as well. So how you can do that, how you can redeem, is that you go to their website. It's going to be here on a Facebook profile, and then you just send them a message and say, hey, I won, this is how this is my name, right? So this is it, guys. So this is how you're gonna make $200. This they pay actually money, and they're gonna send it to your PayPal. So I have friends that actually did it. That's why I was able to learn about this site. So maybe in your downtime, like just have fun with this one, and it just really it's really fun, guys. It's really really fun. I won like 5,000 coins since I started, but right now I have like 3,000. But it's really fun, guys. It's really really fun. So check this out. It's 88win.com, and it's gonna be on the description down below. Make sure you check that out and just have fun, guys. And let me know if you won $200. That will be really really awesome. So I'm playing more of this game anyway. Alright, guys, so also make sure again to check out my #1 recommendation on the description down below. And yeah, if you got value from this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if not, give this video a thumbs down. It really helps out with my channel, with my reach. And that's it, guys, for today. So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.